The walking on the line activity is often done in the Montessori classroom. So, when you walk inside a Montessori classroom itself, you will see a huge ellipse on the floor. That is where usually the walking on the line activity happens. Now, we are going to do this a little differently at home. So, you can either use colored tapes or chalk. Initially, draw a straight line for about 6 feet and you show the children how to walk on the line. See, walking on a line requires total body, all the muscles in the body has to work together for the child to balance and walk on a straight line. And that is what we are aiming for. So, when you demonstrate walking on the line, you have to place one foot on the line, and then for walking, you have to place the next foot's heel right in front of the first foot's toe. So there shouldn't be much gap between the legs while walking. So initially you can show by walking on a straight line, then you can draw zigzag lines, then you can make them curved lines, then you can make spirals out of it. So you can make that activity as exciting as possible. And as the children are hooked to the activity, you can also give them balancing work. So you can ask them to hold a glass of water and walk on the line without spilling the water, or balance some objects on the head and walk. So make it as interesting as possible.